Garcia timeline. 5 days before Anna's death, at 11:03 a.m., Anna Garcia received a $6,000 scholarship for students in the STEM program. 49 hours before Anna's death, she was seen in the lab. Later that day, she was seen with Taylor and Eric for a study session. Anna also received an email from Dr. Opal asking her to help prep for the chem lab at 9 p.m. the day after, as well as help out with some organic chem problems the day after. The day before Anna's death, Anna was seen with Eric at noon at a place for lunch. She was also seen at soccer practice. She also received numerous texts from Sam arguing about how Anna was the reason for them losing. She also had a huge bump on her forehead that she was taking medicine for migraines. And then the day she was seen dead, she got a text from Eric at 6:20 a.m. apologizing. At 10 a.m., Taylor Diaz finds Anna's den, closes his door, and walks out and calls the police. At 10:15, the police arrive, and that's the timeline of Anna Garcia's death.
Taylor Diaz is a 19-year-old college student. He is a classmate in front of Anna Garcia. He claims he last saw her when they were working together in the lab at 1 p.m. the day before she was found dead. Taylor found Anna dead in the research lab. He says that he immediately walked out of the lab, closed the door, and called the police. Sam Green is a 20-year-old college student. She and Anna play on the same soccer team. Sam and Anna were recently seen arguing after a soccer tournament when Sam blamed Anna for their loss. Sam also claims that Anna collided with her during their 3 p.m. practice the day before she was found dead. Eric Peterman is a 20-year-old college student. He is Anna's boyfriend and claims to have last saw her at lunch at noon the day before she was found dead. Friends noted that Eric and Anna were recently seen arguing, but they seem to have reconciled. Dr. Elsie Opal is a 50-year-old college professor. She is Anna's academic advisor. Dr. Opal claims that she last saw Anna during her office hours at 10 a.m. the day before Anna was found dead. Dr. Opal and Anna have a friendly working relationship. However, Dr. Opal recently declined to write a recommendation letter to Anna for an internship application. Dominique Hall is a 19-year-old college student. She is a classmate of Anna Garcia. Dominique Hall claims that she last saw Anna at a study group meeting at 5:30 p.m. the day before she was found dead. It is well known that Dominique and Anna were highly competitive. Anna recently had won a prestigious scholarship that Dominique won.
At the crime scene, we have discovered a numerous amount of evidence that has been collected by our forensics crew. At the crime scene, we have discovered Anna Garcia's dead body that was surrounded by blood on the floor as well as blood being left behind on the desk. At the scene, we also discovered a smartphone on the floor. We can look through this phone to lead us to the killer. At the scene, we also discovered a note in Anna Garcia's pocket. We can look at this note to trace down the killer. We also discovered hair on the clothing of Anna, and we also discovered glassware on the desk. We can analyze all of this evidence to lead us to the killer.
DNA is an important part of any crime scene. In the case of Anna Garcia, our scientific department has tested each suspect's DNA through a gel electrophoresis. The DNA collected has been done in an ethical manner because each person is a suspect with reason to kill. At the crime scene, DNA was found. This DNA belongs to Anna, the victim, and Eric, her boyfriend and prime suspect. Like the hair found, we have to take it with a grain of salt because they were dating.
Hair is an important part to any crime scene. Hair contains 3 parts of the medulla, cuticle, and the cortex. The medulla pattern is an extremely important part of comparing 2 strands of hair. At the crime scene, we see that Eric's hair was present. We know the hair is Eric's because the medulla shape and colors are the same. We have to take this newfound evidence with a grain of salt because Eric and Anna were dating and constantly with each other.
After the collection and analyzation of the evidence, it is clear that Eric Piedmont is indeed guilty of killing Anna Garcia in this case.